Alright, so hi. I can never do intros right. Okay, well, this is Alice, and I'm here today to show you how to get Utau to work and pretty much download on Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. When I get to actually running Utau, I'll explain to you why I need to do it a certain way, though it might not be the same for all of you. Depends. It depends. Ignore this little folder here. I can't delete it. And I don't know. I can't. Fuck you. Those of you who don't know what Utau is, go fucking look it up! It's a vocal synth program, though unlike Vocaloid, it is free to use and you can actually use your own voice bank and download others' voice banks for free. So let's get started. In the crotch bar, I will put in the Utau download, which is at this page, and you're going to click on download, and you'll get the newest version. My version came in English, so I don't know if you need it, but I'll also put the download for Utau English res file. I think pretty much all you have to do is run the application, though you will need WinRAR, which is free until it's a trial, which actually still goes on. Don't worry about that. Pretty much you're going to run the application, you're going to click, but you're going to download it. You're going to follow all the steps to download it. It's pretty self-explanatory. So you're going to run the program, and you're going to follow the steps to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory if you know how any program works. Even if you don't know the Japanese language, it's pretty simple. Keep clicking buttons. You'll get there. So once you're going to have Utau installed, you're going to see something like this on your desktop, hopefully. Yours will not be named Bitch Whore. Mine is named Bitch Whore for numerous reasons. So Utau is located in my case, this PC, in your C drive, program files, Utau. And this is where you're going to find everything. Mine's a little full because I added stuff. But this is pretty much what you're going to see. You're not going to see a UST folder, and I don't think you're going to see a plugins folder. It came with the res file, so I'm guessing that's what the English is, the English patch. And I didn't need it, so we downloaded English. So you're going to see something like this. If you click on it, mine has Utau color, so it'll definitely look different than yours. You're going to see something like this. Normally, you will not get a little thing like this that says the actual hiragana or katakana in it. It will give you random symbols, and that is because you, sir, ma'am, shit, do not have the Japanese locale. To get the Japanese locale, you need to go to your folder, desktop, control panel, clock language and region, and add a language. Here you just really easily add language and find Japanese in it. My Japanese looks like this, and I downloaded the language pack that they also had, and these are my input methods. So they're pretty basic. And here you're going to go to region. Now, this is what I have set up for my format. Depending on where you live, this will be different. For Japanese locale to work on Windows 8, I don't know if this applies to everyone that has Windows 8, but it definitely applied to me with my computer, is that for location, I need to have United States, my home country, set as my home location. Because when I changed my system locale to Japanese, everything else was in Japanese unless I had it at home location. And what I mean by that is if you go to administrative and you go to change system locale and you choose Japanese, and it'll say, do you apply? And you'll say, okay, and you're going to run that, and it's going to restart your computer. It gave me everything in Japanese, so if you don't want that, then you got to follow those steps again to get rid of it. And the way that mine worked, of course, was having my home location as United States. After that, of course, Utau loaded. It showed my hiragana katakana symbols. But let's say I wanted to open up this. This is just a very, very quick example. I wanted to save this little part. Oh, that sounded terrible. But let's say I wanted to save that. If I went to Project Render Wave file and I completed it, it would not save. Same with if I saved last play, it wouldn't go through. So what I had to do personally is I have to, every time I want to open up a toe, I have to run as administrator. And of course that turned off my Windows caller, which made me really upset. But that's how I did it. And I also had to make a UST folder in Utau to save all my USTs because I couldn't click it off of WinRAR and load Utau, otherwise I wouldn't be able to save it. And that's pretty much why I named it Bitch Whore. And that's pretty much it for downloading Utau on Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. If you want me to make another tutorial, I'll do it later. But right now I'm on a call. And so that's where I guess I'll end it. Alright, thank you for watching and bye-bye!